Hey friends, welcome back. So today we are talking about how to choose a mortgage lender. And of course, this is Monday, so it is Millennial Realtor Monday. Woo woo! All right, and if you're new here, I am Keyra Ford. My channel talks about real estate tips and tricks, dance business go-tos, and much, much more. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. All right, so today we're talking about the top 5 tips when it comes to choosing a mortgage lender. A mortgage lender is basically the first stop. That's the person who is gonna give you your pre-approval and the person who's going to let you know how much of a home you can afford. So when it comes to the 5 tips, the first one is pick a lender that is local. I always say pick a lender because big banks are great. By all means, don't ever not pick a big bank if that's really what you wanna go with. But lenders are just a little bit more faster with the process. They're a little bit more hands-on, and they're a little bit more personable. When it comes to big banks, you don't talk to the same person each time. It is someone different. So I feel like they don't necessarily know your case every time you call. So I always advise to go with someone who is local and a lender. All right, and the second tip I would give you is make sure you're picking a lender that's gonna help you save as much money as possible. It's a lender that knows programs for first-time home buyers, knows grants, so you really wanna find a lender who is very knowledgeable. And the way to do that is ask good questions, okay? When I send my clients to my preferred lenders, I always say, ask these questions, and whoever can provide you with the best knowledge and the fastest information, go with them. So I always say, pick a lender who is going to help you save the most money, okay? The third tip is you also want to pick someone who is been in the business for a while. You don't want to get anyone who's new. Not saying that new people you shouldn't give a chance to, but you don't want to be their test rat, to say the least. You want to ask those questions as if, how long have you been in mortgage? How many loans do you usually process a year or a month? Just to know where their skill level is. Just because when it comes to purchasing a home, that's typically the biggest purchase you'll make in a lifetime. So you want to make sure that you have someone who is knowledgeable and knows what they're doing, and they're not kind of using you as a as a test. All right. Tip number 4. So when it comes to pulling your credit and reaching out to these different lenders, which you should at least reach out to 3 to get 3 different quotes, you want to make sure that they are pulling your credit within a 30-day time period, just because you don't want to have a ton of inquiries. First off, if you haven't checked out my perfect credit score in 2021, please check it out. But in that video, I talk about, Maria talks about how when you get a mortgage loan application, it's an inquiry. But inquiries only affect your credit up to 5 points max. So it only would drop at 5 points. So remember that. But you want to make sure that you line up to get those mortgage officers or lenders to pull your credit all at the same time. All right, guys, the 5th and last and most important tip is make sure you're actually getting a good deal. So there's 2 numbers that you need to pay attention to when you're picking a lender, which is the first one is how much money is gonna actually come out of your pocket? Like how much are you gonna have to put down payment? How much is your closing cost gonna be? Also, the second number is what is your mortgage monthly payment gonna be each month? Those lenders should provide that information to you. I will tell you it is an estimate because if you don't have a contract to give them, they're only gonna be giving you an estimated, closing costs, an estimated out-of-pocket fees, okay? You'll really know your actual fees once you go under contract. So I hope that helped. All right, guys, I hope that brought you so much value when it comes to choosing a mortgage lender. So if you are out there and you are shopping for lenders, let me know if I can help in any way. I have my preferred lenders that I have used numerous times. I'd be more than happy to share it with you. Drop it down low in the comments, something that you've learned. Also, if you are in the DFW area and you're looking for a realtor, allow me to help you, or at least earn your business. I'd be more than happy to help you and show you exactly the process and make sure it's smooth and so much fun. All right, guys, well, I hope this has helped. Love you guys so much. Until next time, I'll see you then. Mwah.
Oh my gosh, there she is. It's Keyra Ford. Keyra Ford. You don't know what? Never heard? Oh my gosh, she slays every time.